Hi everyone, my name is Kaann Howden and I am the owner and creative director here at Celebrate 3D Event Renders. We are a 3D rendering software program for event planners just like you. So we have made it to day 6, one more day. To be honest, I'm kind of sad. I'm sad that it's coming to an end. So Jordan, you have to bring me on again because I love it here. I love it, I love it. Okay, so today's video, I am going to show you guys the features within the software program. The cool things that you can do. You can create unlimited videos. You can create unlimited 3D, 4K actually, 3D renders, which is going to be perfect for your business to help elevate. We all have to elevate. We all need to elevate within this industry. Yeah, so I can't wait for you guys to see the features. And of course, as always, if you guys do want to sign up for the waitlist or to be on the waitlist, which I know you do, please do fill out the form with the link below. On that page, it will show you all the details about the program. And right at the bottom, it will be a contact form. You just fill that out and you will be notified as soon as we are ready to launch. Okay, so make sure that you do that and enjoy today's video. See you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so the first feature I'm going to show you guys is one of my favorite features, which is the replace feature. Essentially, you can click on any item, like now I'm clicking on the table, and I'm going to replace it with another table. The only caveat is that the table does have to be within the same size. That way, with the click, everything's seamless and everything is in place that is on top of the table. And now I'm going to change the chairs. I wanted to change it out to something a bit more pink and festive. And then I'm going to change out the charger plates and the flatware just to have a more cohesive look. And you can do this with anything. You can do it with the florals. You can do this with candles. You can do it with the runners. Anything that you add within your render can be replaced with another item. Right, and the second feature is changing your environment. So I'm going to change it from like a grassy green area, and I'm going to change it into the seaside. This is an amazing feature because you can add different environments. So for example, if your client if you're having something in your client's backyard or like a social gathering, you can change the background just from a photo. So if you take a photo, we'll be able to add it into your rendering. So once again, that makes it very custom. All right, so the last feature I'm going to show is our video feature. So you're able to create video walkthroughs so your clients can be immersed into the event. And another cool one, you can do these pop-up videos where all the items individually pop up. It's great for social media and it's great for marketing, just to show the capabilities with your designs. So that is it for today. I hope you guys love these 3 features. Definitely, if you do, please sign up for our waitlist where you will be notified exactly when we launch. Use the link down below and I will see you guys tomorrow.